This time we're supposed to find the fourth root of the complex number expressed in rectangular form. What we're supposed to do first, like always, we have to convert rectangular form to polar form. So I have fourth root of 263.6 and angle of negative 126.82 degrees. Next, I'm supposed to convert the radical to power. So I'm going to have 263.6 and angle of negative 126.82 degrees raised to power 1/4. Next, I'm supposed to use the theorem and simply write 263.6, the magnitude, raised to power 1/4, and I have angle 1/4, open parenthesis, my angle theta negative 126.82, negative 126.82 degrees, plus 360 degrees times 0. Let me remind you, the maximum value of k, which we are going to use, you can find by subtracting from P1. Okay? The P is equal 4. 4 minus 1 gives me 3. So the highest value of k which I'm going to use is 3. It means I'm going to have 4 roots. First one I'm going to find by using k equals 0. After that I'm going to use k equal 1, k equal 2, and k equals 3. So 263.6 to power 1/4 is equal 4.03 and angle of negative 31.7 degrees. This is the first root. We're supposed to have 4 of them. The second root you will find by simply copy down the magnitude 4.03 and angle of 1/4, open parenthesis, negative 126.82 degrees plus 360 degrees times 1. Okay, if you are going to use the calculator, you're supposed to get 4.03 and angle of 58.29 degrees. This is my second root. If you want to find the third root, copy down the magnitude is 4.03 and angle 1/4, open parenthesis, negative 126.82 degrees plus 360 degrees times 2, which is equal 4.03 and angle of 148.29 degrees. This is my third root. And if you want to find the fourth root, copy down the magnitude 4.03 and angle 1/4, and I have negative 126.82 degrees plus 360 degrees times 3 is equal 4.03 and angle of 238 0.29 degrees. And this is my fourth root. We're supposed to find 4 roots, and we found 4 roots. So we can say that the problem is solved.